Welcome to the product demonstration of home automation using IoT. And in this project we are using HVS-1686 microcontroller to control the whole circuit, and to take the input from our mobile phone directly we are connecting to the cloud by using this ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. This is an external Wi-Fi module which will connect our mobile phone directly to our microcontroller, and by taking the input from this ESP8266, the microcontroller giving signals to these two circuits. And here we are using RPS for giving power supply for this DC circuit, and here for controlling this DC motor supply we are using transistor circuit, which is NPN transistor circuit. And in this, whenever we given base pulse, then only the power supply is given to this DC fan. And here another for controlling this AC supply coming from the directly 230 volts to this bulb, we are using this relay, and this relay is an electromagnetic relay. And to give the power supply to this relay, whenever the clock pulse is given from the microcontroller, we are using this NPN. Here also we are using NPN transistor as a switching circuit, and this RPS is used to give power supply for the microcontroller and all other DC devices. And in this there will be four processes. One is transformation, another one is rectification and filtration and regulation. By using these four processes, the power supply will be converted from 230 volts to 5 volts, and this 5 volts regulated power supply is given to the microcontroller. From here the other devices will be get parallel supply, and this is electromagnetic relay which will control the 230 volt supply by using this 5 volts DC power supply. And here we are having three inputs. One is for power VCC and ground, another one for this pulse supply, and whenever we given for DC pulse, then only we will get the relay will be switched on. And to give clock pulses to the two relay circuits, we are using this crystal oscillator. This metal part is crystal oscillator which will give clock pulses to the other devices, and this clock pulses is mainly used to give signals to the DC devices from the microcontroller. And these clock pulses are mainly frequency in DC, nothing but frequency in DC, and this frequency is used for communication and to transfer the signals from the microcontroller. This is HVS-1686 microcontroller. In this 28 pins will be there and 22 input output pins will be given, and these are all interfaced to, first this relay is interfaced to C7, and from C7 it will get the relay will be getting the signal, and from C4 we are getting from C4 this from C4 we are getting the clock pulses for the NPN transistor circuit, and B0 and B1 this ESP module is connected. Like this, all are interfaced to this HVS-1686 microcontroller, and this supply is 230 volts supply is parallelly given here to the one for RPS, and another parallel circuit is given to the bulb, and this is 230 volts bulb which is giving directly that power supply. And to control the power supply from the main supply, we are using this relay as switching circuit. Let us see the demonstration. Before owning the kit, we are having some process. Before that, we want to go to our hotspot settings. This is the hotspot. Go to hotspot settings and change your hotspot name to project 5985, and password should be 129. By changing this, whenever we on the hotspot and on the circuit, then automatically this ESP8266 module, Wi-Fi module will directly connect to your mobile phone and connected through cloud. Connect your circuit to through cloud. And after that, install two apps. One is Network Analyzer app and another one is Juice SSH. This is Juice SSH app. This symbol is get as Juice SSH, and another one is network analyzer. This is network analyzer app. By using these two apps, we will going to take the control. First, by using network analyzer app, go to these three lines and go to LAN scan. And before that, I already changed my hotspot settings, and now I am giving power supply to the circuit. And don't touch this RPS circuit when the supply is on for this. Why? Because it will holding off 230 volts and it may give a shock for your hand. It may damage, will get a current shock. And click on this scan button after connecting to the hotspot, and it will show as one hotspot device is connected. Okay, one device is connected, and now I'm just seeing two IP address. One is my mobile phone IP address, and another is ESP module Wi-Fi address. And this IP address, I'm copying this IP address by clicking the long place. I copied this, and now I'm going to Juice SSH app, and by going to this app, I'm going go to the manage connections, and here I want to add one connection. By clicking on this add button, it will go this main supply, and the type is telnet, and address is I already copied one address, right? Just I'm pasting it here, and the port is 8080. Port 8080. Like the port number is added, and now this port is fixed 8080 as we fixed it in our code. In this direct microcontroller, then only it will be connected. And don't change these settings. Everything should be same as it is, and IP address should be copied here, pasted here, and click on this right mark. And I got this control for the circuit, and by clicking on this, I will get the control. And here you can see now I'm giving one signal, that is capital A. By giving capital A as an input, I can on the main 230 volts power supply for the bulb. Here you can see 230 volts power supply given to the bulb, and clicking on small a, the power supply will be off. For capital A, power supply is on for the 230 volts bulb, and for small a, the power supply will be off. And for small b, a capital B, the power supply of this DC fan will be on, and for small b, the power supply of this DC fan will be off. Like this, I can control my home application using my mobile phone, and from the Juice SSH app by connecting the by using this ESP8266, I can control by cloud. Thank you.